Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can check transaction history on MEXC Global. So if you want to track all your deposits, your withdrawals, and trades, then checking your transaction history on MEXC is really easy, and I'm gonna be explaining it to you. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will log into your account, and once you've logged in, you will basically just have to go to the wallet section. So it really depends on the layout of your screen or your website, but if you see wallet, you will just have to click that, and then you will see transaction history, and then you will just have to filter by currency, which is either BTC, USDT, or whatsoever, and the type, which is either deposit, withdrawal, trade, and then you will just have to select the date range to see past transactions. Then you will click end transaction for detailed info, including the blockchain confirmations and status, and you will just have to use the export feature if you need records for accounting or reporting. And yeah, the transaction history will help you track funds and verify trades, and always monitor your wallet regularly for accuracy. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.